Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. In today's conversation, we're going to practice a very useful situation, visiting a pharmacy and asking for help. So listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to imagine yourself in this situation. Let's get started.
Good morning. Excuse me, could you help me?
Listen and repeat.
Could you help me? Could you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I've been having headaches lately. I'm looking for something that can help.
Listen and repeat.
I have headaches. I have headaches.
Do you prefer tablets, capsules, or maybe a powder?
Tablets would be fine. Nothing too strong, though.
Listen and repeat.
Nothing too strong, though. Nothing too strong, though.
I understand. How often do you get these headaches?
Listen and repeat.
How often do you get these headaches? How often do you get these headaches?
Maybe 2 or 3 times a week, usually in the evenings after work.
Do you want something that works fast or something more for long-term use?
Listen and repeat.
Do you want something that's more for long-term use? Do you want something that's more for long-term use?
Something fast, please. Just to get rid of the pain when it comes.
Listen and repeat.
Just to get rid of the pain when it comes. Just to get rid of the pain when it comes.
In that case, I recommend this one here. It works within 20 minutes.
Listen and repeat.
In that case, I recommend this one here. In that case, I recommend this one here.
Great. Does it have any side effects I should know about?
Listen and repeat.
Does it have any side effects I should know about? Does it have any side effects I should know about?
Usually not, but like all medicines, you should read the leaflet.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
Do you need anything else today?
Listen and repeat.
Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else?
Actually, yes. Where can I find the vitamins?
They're on aisle 3, right next to the skincare section.
Thanks. And do you also sell something for sleep problems?
We do. Over there on the right, next to the herbal teas.
Listen and repeat.
Over there on the right, next to the herbal teas. Over there on the right, next to the herbal teas.
Do you recommend something natural?
Yes, this one contains only natural ingredients like valerian root and chamomile.
Listen and repeat.
This one contains only natural ingredients. This one contains only natural ingredients.
That sounds good. I'll try that.
Very well. Is there anything else you're looking for?
No, I think that's all. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Would you like a bag?
No, thanks. I brought my own.
Perfect. Are you paying cash or by card?
Listen and repeat.
Are you paying cash or by card? Are you paying cash or by card?
By card, please.
Then please insert your card and confirm with the green button.
Done. Thank you.
Thank you. I wish you a speedy recovery.
Listen and repeat.
I wish you a speedy recovery. I wish you a speedy recovery.
Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.